Hey, I'm Tapanroy and today I want to share you how to draw animals. So yeah, from this long back, when started the painting when I'm kids, I really very fascinated about the animals drawings. So animals drawing is not that easy, okay, because this animals are roaming around here and there. So if it's difficult to understand that, the pose and the shapes, but it's really interesting. So we'll start. So first it is the wild dog. So we are doing this. First I make the basic shapes over here. Okay. So basic shapes of wild dog is like this. Okay. I just take the reference of so first make the basic shapes of this animals. Basic shape is circle, straight line, and little curved line like this. Okay. These are basic shapes of this, and in this circle you can just make it in half of the circle. Okay, I keeping this half of the circle, and here you can make this in this here and here you make this one line and two lines. Okay. Yes, I'm coming. One. So first I show. Thank you, ma'am. You will enjoy, ma'am. Thank you. Make it here. The basic part. Okay. The step one, I show 1 minute, beta. Make the circle. Step one is circle. Step two, this in circle, just make these shapes as an ear, and then just making this straight line. The step two. Step three, I just make it same circle. Here I place one line, and here one line like this. One for the eyes line, one for the nose line. And nose line, eyes line cross is the ear line. This eyes line like this. Very simple. Okay, and then line. So I just make the step by step on it. Okay, understand the process. Now time start yours. I just make the little shadings over here. This part is drawing. Try to make see the characters. It is like a cheetah and the tiger, cheetah and the structure like a cheetah kind of, and but the body shapes like a dog. So you can tell the wild dog on it. This drawing we are learn the shading this drawing we'll learn the shading, how to make these nice shades in a drawing. Yes. Priya, you want to say something? Okay, cool. I just try to make the shadings little bit of how to make this line and this gestures. Okay, take your time.